Kyolic aged garlic extract brings all of the benefits of organic garlic. Only this, one is odorless that advocates heart fitness and overall well-being. Age is an extremely standardized supplement produced by the Wakunaga Company. Over 350 studies in major universities have confirmed the safety, usefulness, and strength of age and its health benefits. These benefits are a result of a high level of standardization and quality control, making age the choice garlic preparation in both medical and scientific studies. Scientific study shows that aged garlic extract rich in antioxidants than fresh or other forms of garlic preparations. It is more efficient in increasing the body's immune system and protecting against cardiovascular disease, cancer, aging, and drug toxicity. Kyolic garlic benefits include prohibition of abnormal cell growth that also leads to hair loss and prostate abnormalities. S-allele-cysteine is well known for protecting the liver by quickly eliminating toxic chemicals. With these obvious benefits, it is clear with Kyolic aged garlic extract is called the perfect health food. New research shows data with very promising results for protecting the arteries from injury linked with oxidative damage. Aged garlic extract has been shown to defend arteries. It stops the free radicals and steady molecules that can cause damage to the arteries. Frequently, when left abandoned, free radicals can result in hardening of the arteries and heart disease. Aged garlic extract has been shown to protect against oxidant-induced disease, acute damage from aging, radiation and chemical exposure, and long-term toxic damage. Garlic preparation has also been shown to lower serum cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are chief danger factors of cardiovascular diseases, through inhibition of their biosynthesis in the liver and to inhibit oxidation of low-density lipoprotein or LDL. Protecting LDL cholesterol from free radical-induced oxidation is another way to avoid from developing of arteriosclerosis. Oxidized LDL injures cells that line blood vessels, which increases plaque-forming cholesterol deposits in the vessel wall. Aged garlic extract has been shown to perform this. Publicity to toxic substances lowers body glutathione levels. Aged garlic extract, by its antioxidant action, enhances the cellular antioxidant enzymes and increases glutathione in the cells. Liver and cancer protection. Garlic is a dominant detoxifying mediator that can defend against various liver toxins. In an experimental study, garlic protected against acetaminophen-induced liver toxicity. This means that persons who are taking Tylenol may find garlic helpful. Garlic may also give security against cancer by mobilizing the effectiveness of the body's immune system. People who eat garlic at least once a week have a drastically lesser risk of colon cancer. For antioxidant effects, reactive oxygen species or ROS, which include free radicals, are toxic byproducts of a normal metabolism. ROS augment during inflammation, workout, and contact to environmental pollutants, radiation, and sunlight. ROS damage DNA, lipids, and proteins, which lead to aging and disease. Age antioxidants activity enhances the body's aptitude to make glutathione, providing prevailing defense against ROS damage. For cardiovascular protection, In a recent breakthrough at the University of California, cardiologists reported that age cut hazard factors for heart attack by 50%. The placebo-controlled, double-blind clinical trial showed that age given to cardiac patients at 1,200 mg per day for a year reduced coronary artery plaque build-up by more than 50% and increased HDL compared to the placebo. Age lowered blood homocysteine, while patients on the placebo showed an increase. For immune booster, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal, aged garlic is antifungal, preventing the growth of Candida albicans, the root of infection in HIV-positive patients and in sexually transmitted conditions. Age also kills Helicobacter pylori or H. pylori, the bacteria associated to stomach ulcers and cancers. For cancer therapeutic, the water-soluble SAMC, which is distinctive to age due to the aging process, may lend a hand in cancer therapy. SAMC and SAC impede human prostate cancer cell growth by 80% as it lowers testosterone levels desired for their growth and reduces PSA, the prostate cancer marker. SAMC prevents the growth of breast cancer cells and inhibits colon cancer cell expansion by 71%. For preventing drug toxicity, the painkiller acetaminophen produces ROS. If excessively used, acetaminophen depletes the liver of detoxifying glutathione and may direct to liver failure and death. Antioxidant-rich aged garlic prevents acetaminophen toxicity by scavenging ROS, escalating glutathione, and acting as a cure in cases of overdose. Volunteers ingesting 10 ml per day of age for 3 months, then given 1 gram of acetaminophen before and after the age course, were sheltered against acetaminophen toxicity.